of the NSE like Ikeja branch.
Thank you very much. Like the introduction goes, FCS Fibre. FCS means Fibre Concrete Solutions. It's actually a leading fiber for enforcement, a global name, because over the years, so much projects have been done with that, and the testimony about the efficiency of it has gone so much global that my agency, GEORITA Innovations LTD, decided to look into that, and we will say that after form of research, contact, and practical practices of the usage, we had a condition that is actually an innovative means of concrete reinforcement, especially for this our dispensation that the world is looking for solution of cutting down cost. So for that case, it became the sole representative in Africa so far. Okay, here we have the ranges. It starts from the non-structural to structural fibers. The non-structures are actually for light cement work, like for streets and mortar, principally preventing cracks, preventing shrinkage. So we have in the range what we call the vertex screed. We have the vertex fibrillated. Vertex screed is actually for, like I know here is mixed up. I know we have the environmental, the mechanical, and the electrical engineering. Some of us work in powerhouses, in enclosed, structures and all that. Vertex screed, when it's mixed with your concrete, under certain pressure, in case of fire incident, under certain certain temperature of fire, it dissolves. And when it dissolves, it creates some micro holes that enables heat to escape without causing explosion, complete explosion or sparring. Then the vertex fibrillated. Actually, the manufacturer said it's actually non-structural, but some people have used it here for structural purposes. It's actually for light, screed, pavement. We have this NSE. NSE is also known as APES. We call it the flagship fiber. It's a strong structural fiber that with this, for instance, you're supposed to make use of 20 mm of iron rod, 24, 30 something mm of iron rod. This can provide you the alternative. We have some projects already done in Nigeria and all over the world. I can testify to that. It's a pure structural reinforcement fiber. Okay? It's zenith. It's not commonly used in our continent because it's mostly used for shoreline or ship batting. The shoreline or ship batting, and also the tunnels. This underground train tunnel and the bunkers, military use and all the rest. Because of our time, we will go to the projects already done here. Then from there we take on other things. Then this is Makodi, Benue State Teaching Hospital. The internal roads and all that is constructed without any iron reinforcement, purely on fibers. And this is a filling station in Ghana, a shared filling station in Accra. You can look at the thickness, no iron reinforcement, no BRC, fiber. Okay, this is at completion. And this is also another filling station construction in progress. This is also the entrance to the filling station. Good. This is our mighty Igbo-Atlantic project. There are some of us were wondering how will this be achieved? And you push water back, the whole ocean. This is high-tech batching plant in VI there, where it was batched. Those massive base pins. This is the batching plant. There is no single iron rod. It's a precast. So they batch and lay. You put a breaker. We created the artificial shoreline that water will not surge again. Of course, some of us know the housing offices of all the states in Nigeria, how the surging took the first road before another one was created. And the designers designed this and discovered that there is something called fiber. That no matter the salt, water, the whatever, that for 500 years, fiber will resist any form of attack. This is an internal route of the entire depot, where you have all these big tankers and all the rest. You can see the casting. You can see the expansion joints separating there's no single iron reinforcement, neither BRC, 10 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, none. And this is almost at the completion. The entire area, if you look at the thickness, is about 200 mm thickness. No single iron reinforcement. It's entirely fiber. And the concrete slab without fiber, the result, and the slab with fiber, the resistant to that at 8,000 PSI. I know 1 MPa is equal to about 145 PSI. So if you check it, you can understand the megapascal of this 8,000. Then look at the resistance on the slab with fiber. Then you also see the other one without fiber, the resistance. Now our fibers has limits. It's not all application. It's not applicable to all concrete work. The manufacturers said, and it's in the technical data sheet, that because it's in piece by piece, that is a multi-dimensional reinforcement. For instance, if you are laying your iron or BRC, there's a void, either 5 inches or 6 inches void. What happens to that void? It's not reinforced. Even if the general side that is reinforced, over time, our OPC, we know, eats it up. Over time, we check it, everything is vanished. So we will point up and start creating hazard. So, for that, because of the shot, the piece by piece, that make it form a total reinforced, coverage. They consider that spanning might be of negative if it's used for a suspended slab. For instance, if this is a concrete deck, because of the spanning, there can be deflection. So they now said the ideal place of application is floors. Floors because of ground support, well compacted floors, so that it will give it the comprehensive strength. While from top, we take the reinforcement, the fiber. Actually, the fiber also gives itself comprehensive and tensile strength. But because of deflection, it has to have ground support, ground base. That is why it's ideally recommended for ground base concrete, basements, concrete roads, and all the rest. Floors of buildings. Other one, if you're having a vertical concrete structure that will not have a large pressure load, high load on top, you can as well use it for vertical, maybe wall or column. But you must make sure there is not much load because of the spanning. We decided to take this product to Unilab. We know they have a very good lab for testing of concrete and all the construction materials. So we took it there, and then we have the results from 4th day, 7th day, 14th day, 21 day, 24 day, then 90 days. And we have all the compressing test results. We know that this number is very, very much above average, if not 100% compressive strength results. So, and that is helping us to, and this is a localized test, not the one on the set. It's a localized test, so it's helping us to tell people that there is confidence and reliability on the fiber we are introducing to Nigerian society. Thank you very much. So we will want to take some questions.
Continue.